We're combining lean ground turkey with a few finely diced colorful veggies, forming the mixture into patties, grilling them most excellently, and then finishing them with a melt of a favorite cheese. But you know us, we're then gonna give you options on how to dress up and serve our perfect turkey burgers. Let's face it, who doesn't get stumped coming up with a really great weeknight or weekend meal idea? The one tried and true is always burgers. I'm gonna show you how to make turkey burgers. They work perfectly, tender, juicy, every time. There are 3 things I really want you to pay close attention to when you make this recipe at home. Number 1, it's all about the patties. Let's get right into it. Medium-sized bowl, 2 pounds of lean ground turkey, and then some colorful veggies. Half a zucchini grated, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, a quarter finely chopped white onion, and then a quarter of a finely chopped red pepper. It's okay for you to be thinking half a zucchini, quarter this, quarter that. What do I do with all those leftover bits, Nick? Well, you can just eat them, or why not add them into a favorite salad? Let's face it, you can never get enough of fresh veggies. Back to the burger, add 1 egg, a splash of Worcester sauce, a little bit of hot sauce, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next up, our hands are washed, they're going into the bowl, and we're gonna bring this burger mixture together. You're gonna need to work this mixture until everything is well combined, then kind of gently push down the mixture. It's time to portion those patties. I just did an X into the bowl because I'm making 4 really big turkey burgers because I am hungry. But you can divide the mixture into 6 or 8. If you want smaller burgers, just remember, you're gonna grill the smaller burgers for a little bit less time. They'll be just as delicious. Shape the mixture into flattened patties, then transfer over to a parchment-lined baking sheet or platter we're gonna cover with wrap. Very important to make perfect burgers, you need to refrigerate them now for 1 hour before we grill them. Think about it, right? We've been working with that meat, we've got room temperature veggies. Giving the burgers an hour to chill out will ensure they don't fall apart on the grill. Talking about the grill, that's our second key consideration. Let's do that now. The only way to cook turkey burgers is indirect heat, where the left side of the grill is turned on to high, but the right side is set to moderate low. The temperature of the grill is 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Turkey burgers are chilled. Grill is hot. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to grill. Burgers go down on the cooler side of the grill. Lid goes down and we let them cook undisturbed over the indirect heat for 5 minutes. At that 5-minute mark, they are looking great. Give them a flip. No surprise, they're keeping it together. Lid goes back down. We're gonna cook for 5 minutes more. 1 minute before they're done, you can press down on the patties to whoa, look at that. I told you they were nice and juicy. Now it's time to toast up our buns. Follow my lead and brush those toasted buns with butter. We're gonna scoot them up to the upper rack to stay warm. Then we're adding slices of Emmental. This nutty Swiss cheese is so perfect with the turkey. Let that cheese melt. Let's do a quick review. We made and chilled our turkey burgers. We then cooked them indirect heat on a hot grill. Last thing, could this be the most important thing? Let's dress them up. You are gonna love this. Where we're adding curly lettuce and a drippy slice of tomato, then the patty, and then our tangy mango salsa. Beautiful. Option 2, same lettuce and tomato base, add the cheese covered patty, and then our creamy coleslaw. Okay, know what else would be perfect right now? A burger party. Corn chips with salsa, fries with ketchup, maybe a couple of cold ones. These burgers are always so tasty, tender, and juicy, totally yummy. full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. A reminder, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Added bonus, I'm gonna list 2 additional burger recipes in the show more section below this video. Finally, why not take a picture of your gorgeous burgers when you make them and then post them on your favorite socials. Simply tag us, #weekendatthecottage. When you do, are you ready to try these perfect burgers? How about our perfect turkey burgers? Tender and juicy, really perfect, perfect.